You start your weight loss journey and you lose 7 kgs in 2 months. Super excited about your progress. लेकिन third month में सिर्फ 2 kgs lose किया. This left you super frustrated and demotivated, thinking you have hit a weight loss plateau. क्या करें? Hello, I'm Varsha Banur, health coach at My Health Buddy. We help busy people, especially women, to lose weight and get fit. Today, let's discuss about weight loss plateau. What actually it is, are they normal, and how to make progress despite hitting a weight loss plateau. सबसे पहले समझाती हूँ वेट लॉस प्लेटू होता क्या है. एक एग्जाम्पल से समझाती हूँ. लक्ष्मी का वेट 75 kgs, height 5'2" and age 32. And she started to lose weight by following a calorie deficit diet. मतलब she started to eat less and burn more calories. Super disciplined and super motivated. And she lost 10 kgs in 3 months. अब आप BMR का फॉर्मूला देखोगे and compare her BMR to what it was when she started. You can see it has reduced now. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? BMR is our survival calories. हमारे बेसिक फंक्शंस लाइक ब्रीदिंग, हार्ट बीटिंग, थिंकिंग के लिए जो कैलोरीज बर्न होते हैं उससे BMR कहते हैं. सो वेट कम हुआ तो BMR कम हुआ and our body feels lighter, and to keep it we burn lesser calories. Simple. So if Lakshmi was burning around 1800 calories at 75 kgs, now at 65 kgs she would be burning around 1500 calories, living the same exact weight. मतलब ये है कि weight loss plateaus are normal and it's a natural process of any weight loss journey. Now what to do if you start seeing some weight loss plateau? First, be sure if it's actually a weight loss plateau or you have become casual and less disciplined. Most of the times ये होता है कि clients जब 5 to 6 kgs lose करते हैं जोश में, जब results आने लगे तो clients casual हो जाते हैं. चाय के साथ एक और एक्स्ट्रा कुकी ले लिया and they stop measuring the food they eat and unknowingly they start eating more and move little less. Now this is not called weight loss plateau. It's just that they have become less disciplined. Start tracking again meticulously and see if you ain't eating unnecessarily on weekends, and see if you're finishing your target steps of the day, and also see if you're finishing your target workouts of the week. Now, if this all is being taken care of and you have lost significant amount of weight, like 10% of your body weight, then you might start seeing weight loss plateau. Here are a few things you can do in such cases. Number 1, reduce your calories a bit. Maybe around 100 to 150 calories. If there's a scope. मतलब, if you're eating 2000 calories, 1800 calories भी आ सकती हो. But if you're already eating 1400 calories, उससे कम मत करो. Number 2, increase NEAT. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis. मतलब, active रहो. दिन के 2000 to 3000 steps बढ़ा लो. Number 3, if there is a scope, increase the workout days of the week. मतलब if you have been doing 3 to 4 days of workout in a week before, you can increase it to 5 to 6 days a week. That's max. And make sure you sleep 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. Now, lastly, take a diet break, maybe around for 2 weeks, and increase your calories to maintenance. And then come back on diet diligently. These are some tools or tricks you can use to keep making progress when weight loss gets slower. मैं फिर से बोल रही हूँ, weight loss plateau is a very normal and a natural thing. Be on track, be more disciplined, be patient, and increase your adherence to up to 90%. And you would see progress on weighing scale. Trust me. And if you're still confused and stuck in your weight loss journey, click on the link in the caption. Join one of our coaches. We have transformed thousands of clients, new mothers, busy professionals. We can take care of you. Come join us.